120W UV LED nail lamp, ESCAP faster nail dryer for gel polish with 4-timer setting, professional gel lamp, portable handle curing lamp for fingernail and toenail, auto sensor nail machine, 2020 newest. Q maximum power on the market. The higher the power of the nail lamp, the faster the nails dry. Our professional UV light for gel nails can shorten your curing time by 85% than other nail lamps. Faster than twice the speed of the other 80W gel lamp. Easy work for extra hard gel and high efficient curing your gel nails. Q4 timer setting and touchscreen. The built-in LED display shows the nail drying time and has a time memory function. Can be set to 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds or 99 seconds of low heat mode. The comfortable builder or hard gel curing. Additional touchscreen, no physical button will prolong the product life. Q smart sensor and temperature protection. Due to the smart infrared sensor, the nail lamp could be automatic sensing, hands in light on, hand out light off. Our UV LED nail lamp provides temperature protection for your hands. Bring a new nail salon-like experience. Note: strong external light may affect the infrared sensor. If the sensor light is not on, please try to use it in a weaker light. Q flawless curing without dead zone. Comparing to common lamp beads, 36 PCS lamp beads full cover ensure to cure your nails evenly and quickly. Harmless soft purple light does no harm to eyes as well as protect skin from being black. Q salon effect at home. It has big enough space for your fingernails and toenails. Removable bottom plate and portable handle for you to clean when you finish your nail drying. Get salon effect at home with your family. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.